untangle senses of brain. Hello you all the game developers there. Welcome to this channel. In today's video I'll teach you how to set up a photon in Unity. So let's start this video. Let's begin. Friends, first we will create, I'm using Unity 2018.3.0 F1 Unity version 2018. Okay friends, let's set up a new project. New, let's name it, give it some location. Let me give this location somewhere else. 1 second. Okay, let's name me. Okay, so let's select this folder. Let's name first multiplayer game. Okay friends, let's create it. While the Unity is creating our package, let's in between that, let's see how we can access Photon and how we should set up our Photon ID, means how to set up our Photon account at their website. So let's go to that website. Friends, this is the official Photon site. Here you can see this is the official photonengine.com. This is the official Photon site. Here they have given some like things. This now we have to, you can download any of these advanced relay client hosted. So friends, we will be focusing on the Photon Unity network, that is also called PUN. So we have to download this. If you go to at the end of the site, there's this link also, PUN. Here you have to click to set up your account. If you click on that link, then it will take to you to this page. Now you can also download the Photon Unity networking package from here, or you can download from the Unity asset store also. Friends, let's see. Friends, normally what I do, I try to download it from the asset store so that it can easily incorporate in my Unity project setup. So I'll avoid from here, but here what I'll do is that I'll just create my new account. Okay, so to do that, what we need to do that, we have to scroll down at the end of this, and then we have to go to the friends, what I have done is I have an application from the Unity. You have to just sign in. If you are a new user, just click here, it will open up the sign in page. From every page there is an option of sign in at the top right corner. If you click at there, it will take you to this page, sign in page. Let's create a new app. Create a new app, Photon tab. But people are playing your game, then it will show you in future if the users are more than this means 20 concurrent current users, 20 CCU. Okay friends, here I have created a new app, now I have to manage it. If you click on that manage button, show you these reasons. Now this shows you how to add it. Now authenticate your players with known credentials. It can ask you to make some plugins like Facebook plugins or that kind of thing, or you can, we will discuss this in a lot in future videos, but for today we'll be more focusing on creating installing the Photon in a Unity project. I just told you how to set up this how to create your user account and just get there. Now here, if you click there, I just create a manage first multiplayer game. Now here you can see at the bottom of it, there is an app ID. For every project you create, the Photon network, Photon engine creates an unique app ID that helps you to link your various users or various instances of your game, like on a PC, on an Android device, on a Mac, on an iOS device. Means that it helps you to link all those game instances or games or apps through this Photon ID. You can link